Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to understand the 5 best weight loss drinks. Yes, let's start. NHS says that if you are overweight or obese, losing weight can reduce your risk of some potentially serious health problems. In fact, most people who need to lose weight can get health benefits from losing even a small amount, that is 5% of their original weight. Some of the problems with being overweight includes high blood pressure, heart diseases, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and back pain. How do you know if you need to lose your weight? The simplest way is to check your BMI, also known as body mass index. It means that your weight should be in proportion to your height. Let's understand why our drinks are a better form of diet to lose the weight. There are certain reasons to prove that drinking juices are a better option than eating. First, drinking is an easy and quick method to suit your hectic schedule. Eateries take a lot whole of time to be prepared. So instead of preparing something, you can take the ready-made and easy juices that are quick and easy to prepare. Second, healthy drinks are always easy for digestion. The digestive system has less work to do in the case of juices. Therefore, it is easy for your body as well. Third, healthy drinks keeps you full. These give a filling effect quite soon. So now that you know the benefits, let's jump to understand the top 5 best drinks to reduce your weight. First, green tea. As guessed by most people, green tea is one of the healthiest drinks. Green tea is a wonderful antioxidant that has very less number of calories. Weight losing is all about shedding unwanted calories. Therefore, green tea works quite well. To verify this fact, drinking green tea has been shown to decrease body weight and body fat in several studies. Green tea enhances the fat burning and also increases the metabolism of the body. Therefore, you may consider drinking green tea at least 2 times in a day. Second, black tea. This simple form of tea, black tea, is a type of tea that has undergone more oxidation than other types of teas. That's why it has a stronger color and flavor. A noted fact is that black tea is high in polyphenols, including a group of polyphenolic compounds called flavonoids. Polyphenols are powerful antioxidants that may help to reduce the body weight. A study in 100 people demonstrated that those who drank 3 cups of black tea for 3 months lost more weight than the others. The next best form of drink is water. You may be surprised to know that something as basic as water is really helpful for weight loss. The best part is that it is 100% calorie free. It therefore helps you burn more calories and may even suppress your appetite. Therefore, whenever you feel like having a sugary drink, make it a habit to drink a glass of water so that you consume other unwanted calories or sugary drinks in a less quantity. It is a powerful method to cut down on unwanted sugars. The next best drink is ginger tea. Ginger, a popular root used in Indian savories, is a herbal remedy to treat a number of conditions, including weight loss. You'll be pleased to know that ginger extract works very well for weight loss. A study that was performed on rats confirmed that the rats which were fed with ginger extracts had better metabolism than others. Therefore, ginger tea can be consumed because it has no side effects at all. Therefore, you can consume this ginger tea at least twice a day. The last one is vegetable juice. Drinking vegetable juice has been found to be effective way for weight loss. A report says that adults who drank 16 ounces of low sodium vegetable juice while following a low calorie diet lost significantly more weight than the others. You can mix a variety of vegetables including the high protein ones to prepare a healthy vegetable juice. Conclusion: you can consume these 5 juices on a regular basis to observe an increase in metabolism. You can also consult your doctor to understand the frequency levels of consumption of these juices. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more health related tips.